CA Uddhav is appointed as an auditor of a listed company, and now he is under an understanding that he is required to communicate to those charged with governance. Now, what is that standard and what he has to communicate? The communication to those charged with governance is governed by SA 260, communication to those charged with governance. The auditor CA Uddhav, he has to communicate the auditor's responsibility in relation to the financial statement audit, the planned scope of audit, the timing of audit, the auditor's independence. He has to communicate all these things he has to communicate. Further, Uddhav also has to communicate the auditor's view about the significant qualitative aspects of the entity's accounting practices. So, what is his view as to qualitative aspects of the entity's accounting practices, accounting policies, accounting estimates, and financial statement disclosure? So, are they maintaining a high quality of disclosure? That he has to ensure. The auditor shall explain to those charged with governance why auditor considers the significant accounting practices that is acceptable as per the applicable financial reporting framework. It is not to be appropriate in a particular circumstances. Yes, the accounting practices is as per the AFRF, but it may not be appropriate for a particular circumstances. What is the reason for the same? He wants to depart from the accounting standards. And also, what are the significant difficulties which are encountered by the auditor during the audit? Even that also to be considered. And also significant matters which are arising during the audit, which are discussed with the management. Further, written representation which the auditor is requesting, even that also to be considered. Then circumstances that affect the form and content of the auditor's report. What are the circumstances which affects the form and content of audit report? And also any significant matters which is arising during the audit that in the auditor's professional judgment are relevant for financial reporting framework. It is very much relevant. That's the thing here. The communication of findings from the audit may include like requesting further information from those charged with governance in order to complete the audit evidence which is obtained. Further, say for example, from those charged with governance, he has to understand the facts and circumstances of a particular transaction. So even that is also being covered here. Okay. So these are the various aspects to be communicated to those charged with governance and the management. Okay. That's it, my dear soldiers. I'll see you in the next video.